How to change PHP memory limit on cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to the file manager of your cPanel right here. And once inside the file manager, you want to click on the public_HTML. From here, you then want to go ahead and click on the WP includes. And inside, you can just go ahead and scroll down. And you specifically want to look for the default constants.php. From here, you can just go ahead and right click on it. Go ahead and click on edit, and you want to click on the edit button. Now right after, it will now take you to this page right here. And as you can go ahead and see, if we go ahead and scroll down, we can see the WP memory limit. You can go ahead and edit this by changing the numbers right here. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.